How to start a business with no money. You've got the drive, the ambition, the entrepreneurial fire in your belly, but your bank account is gathering dust. You scroll through stories of successful founders and can't help but think, I could do that if I just had the money. We're all told you need money to make money, but what if that's one of the biggest myths in business? What if all you really need is a blueprint? If I were starting from absolute scratch today, $0, zero connections, this is the exact step-by-step plan I would follow to turn a skill I already have into a real, profitable company. Pay attention, because by the end of this, you'll have a clear, actionable guide to launch your own business without spending a single dime. First things first, let's get our heads straight. What do you really need to start a business? It's not a loan, an investor, or your life savings. The simple truth is that creativity, grit, and pure resourcefulness are worth more than any pile of cash. Starting with nothing forces you to be innovative and lean in a way that a financial cushion just doesn't. It makes you build a business that's profitable from day one, and that creates an unshakable foundation. Instead of money, you need to take stock of 3 powerful assets you probably have right now. First, your smartphone. It's your marketing agency, camera crew, and payment processor all in one. Second, your network. You know people, and some of them will become your first clients or your biggest cheerleaders. Third, your home. It's your office, your headquarters, with zero overhead. The biggest shift is moving from I don't have the resources to how can I be more resourceful? This isn't a handicap, it's your competitive advantage. Step 1. Identify your profitable path. The fastest path from zero to cash is to sell something that doesn't require a warehouse. There's a reason the service sector is packed with small businesses. There's no inventory, no manufacturing, and no shipping. You're selling your skill and your time directly to a customer. The startup cost is basically zero. So your first real step is a personal inventory. Grab a pen and answer this. What are you genuinely good at? Think outside your 9-to-5. Are you the friend everyone asks to punch up their resume? Are you a wizard at calming down anxious pets? Can you assemble IKEA furniture without having a total meltdown? What problems do you actually enjoy solving? What do you know that other people would pay to learn? This could be freelance writing, social media management, or virtual assistants. But don't stop there. Think about pet sitting, organizing closets, or tutoring. Or consider higher income skills like financial consulting or productivity coaching, which can command premium rates. You can start these businesses today. But that's not the only way. A second, hugely popular model is dropshipping. This is where you set up an online store to sell products, but a third-party supplier handles all the inventory and shipping for you. It's one of the most accessible ways to start an e-commerce business without needing upfront capital. A third path, perfect for 2026, is the AI-powered service. Instead of just using AI, you can build a business around it. Think about offering AI-driven content creation for blogs, managing social media for local shops using AI tools, or even building simple customer service chatbots for companies. Step 2. Create a one-page action plan. Forget the intimidating 50-page business plan. That's for bankers. You need a one-page action plan. This is your personal roadmap to keep you focused. Your plan needs just 3 simple parts. First, your service or product. What exactly are you offering? Be brutally specific. Not writing, but writing SEO-optimized blog posts for tech startups. Not dropshipping, but selling eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Second, your customer. Who are you helping? Busy parents in my neighborhood, or local restaurants who need a better Instagram presence? And third, your first 5 client strategy. How will you get your first 5 paying customers? We'll get into the details later, but for now, just scribble down some ideas. Tell friends and family, post in a local Facebook group. You can find a free template on Google Docs, or even ask an AI tool like ChatGPT to help you structure your thoughts and spit out a plan in minutes. The goal isn't to predict the future, it's to create clarity so you don't waste time on stuff that doesn't matter. Validate your idea for free. This is the make or break step that most aspiring entrepreneurs skip. Before you sink a ton of time into something, you need to validate it. That's just a fancy way of saying, make sure someone will actually pay you for this. The best way to do that is to pre-sell your service. Do not build a website, do not print business cards. Just talk to people. Start with your personal network. Send a dead simple message to a few friends or former colleagues you think could actually use what you're offering. Say something like, "Hey, I'm launching a new service to help people solve a specific problem. Since I'm just getting started, I'm offering a massive discount to my first 3 clients. Any chance you'd be interested or know someone who might?" Another way is to use social media. Create a simple post describing your service and ask people to comment or message you if they're interested. The goal is to get a yes, and ideally a paying customer, before you go all in. This forces you to listen to what people actually want, not what you think they want. Step 4. Build your digital storefront for free. Once you've got that first spark of interest, you need a place for people to find you online. And no, you still don't need to spend any money. First, lock down your professional profiles on the social media platforms where your customers hang out. If you're targeting businesses, that's LinkedIn. If you're a designer or selling a visual product, it's Instagram or Behance. If you're local, claim your free Google Business profile immediately so you show up on Google Maps. For design, use Canva. Its free version is more than powerful enough to create a sharp logo, social media graphics, and flyers. To stay organized, Google Workspace gives you docs and spreadsheets for free, and tools like Notion or Asana can manage your projects. When it's time to book clients, a free Calendly account saves you from endless back and forth emails. And for your actual website copy and social media posts, use free AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write compelling content right from the start. Step 5. Market your business with zero budget. Okay, you have your service, it's validated, and you have a basic online home. How do you get a steady flow of customers without a single dollar for ads? You grind. You focus on organic marketing, which trades money for time and effort. First, content marketing. Solve your customers' problems in public. Start a simple blog, create short videos for TikTok or Reels, or write helpful articles on LinkedIn. You're not just selling, you're proving your expertise and building trust. Learn the basics of SEO so that the right people find your content when they search for solutions. Second, word of mouth. This is your superpower. Actively, and I mean actively, ask your first happy clients for referrals. You can even offer a small discount or a bonus for every new customer they send your way. It's worth it. Customers referred by other customers are 4 times more likely to buy. Third, genuine networking. Go to local meetups or join online communities, but don't show up to sell. Show up to listen, to help, and to build real relationships. Be more interested in what other people do than in talking about yourself. Those connections will eventually turn into clients and referrals. If this blueprint was helpful and you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, then subscribe for more guides just like this one. And more importantly, I want you to make a commitment. Comment below with the one skill or idea you're going to turn into a business. I read every single comment. Starting a business with no money isn't about luck, it's about a method. It demands a mindset of resourcefulness, a focus on providing value, and the clever use of the incredible free tools we have at our fingertips. You don't need capital, you need creativity and the courage to take that first step. You have the blueprint. The rest is up to you.